Hello student, how are you? Myself Harshil Nayak, your computer sir. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 2, computer memory. We all know that computers store the data or information. So the capacity of computer to store data and information is called memory. We can easily store text, picture, games, audio, video in computer memory. When we give instruction to the computer, this instruction get converted into the new language known as machine level language. It is in the form of 0 and 1. The digit of 0 and 1 are known as binary digit or bits. As you measure heights in feet and inches, weight in gram or kilogram, similarly, a computer's memory is measured in a byte. A byte consists of a group of 8 bits. Other units for measuring the computer memory are kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, etc. Here you can see many measurement of computer memory. 1 byte equal to 8 bits, 1 nibble equal to 4 bits, 1 kilobyte equal to 1024 bytes, 1 megabyte equal to 1024 kilobytes, 1 gigabyte equal to 1024 megabytes, 1 terabyte equal to 1024 gigabytes. Now we can see here there are two main parts of memory. First is primary memory, second is secondary memory. Primary memory consists of two types. First is ROM, read-only memory, RAM, random access memory. Secondary memory is used to store data permanently. The different types of secondary memory device are hard disk, floppy disk, CD-ROM, DVD and pen drive. Let us study about this device in detail. Primary memory. Primary memory, also known as internal memory, it is used to store the data and program running in the computer. Primary memory is of two types, ROM and RAM. ROM is used to store the data and information permanently. Programs are stored on ROM chips when a computer is manufactured. You can only read the information from ROM. ROM is a non-volatile memory as data is stored even if the power is switched off. Second is RAM. RAM holds data only temporarily. The information can be read and written on it. RAM is a volatile memory as the data disappears when the power is switched off. It is also known as read-write memory. If we can't use RAM in our computer, so we can't see anything on the computer screen. Secondary memory. Secondary memory, also known as external memory, it is used to store data permanently. The files and program required to run the computer are stored in a secondary memory. First is hard disk. Hard disk has a very large storage capacity. All programs like Windows, Logo, Paint required for working on a computer are stored on its hard disk. It kept into the CPU. It consists of several disks called platters. Now, second is floppy disk. Floppy disk can store only a small amount of data. It is used to store the file safely. Floppy disk drive is visible from the outside. The disk is thin piece of plastic coated with a magnetic material. Third is CD. CD has a large amount of storage capacity. The data is stored on the disk and you can only read data from CD-ROM, but you can't write on it. CD are generally of two types, CDR and CDRW. Now fourth is DVD, digital versatile disc. DVD is very similar to CD but it stores a large amount of data. DVD is used to store full movies and produce better quality of picture. And last is pen drive. A pen drive is a small portable device which can store a large amount of data. You can easily store and transfer the data from one computer to another with the help of pen drive. Pen drive are faster and more reliable than floppy disk. Now, very most important question is difference between CDR and CDRW. CDR stands for compact disc recordable. CDRW stands for CD rewritable. CDR data can be written only once on this disk. This data can neither be erased nor any new data can be written on it any more. CDRW. Data can be stored on it and also erase it.